Let's have a quick recap of cloud variables and compare that to how normal variables work. So in the case of cloud variables, we're going to have two different programs here. One that is run on Jane Brown's computer, which is the one up the top here, and then another program which is running on her partner's computer down here. So this is a separate program running under two separate devices. So in the first program, which is running on Jane Brown's computer, what we're doing is we see the assignment operator. So we're going to read the code from right to left. We're going to take the right-hand side, which is the string hello year 8, and we're going to assign that into a cloud variable called cloud_Jane Brown. That goes up to the cloud. So that's kind of like a message that is being passed between two different devices. So it goes up to the cloud. That enables the second device to be able to read that variable and display it onto the screen. So here we see cloud variables enabling two different programs on two different devices to communicate. So when we compare this to variables, in a simpler way, variables are doing the same thing within the same program on the same device. So in order to communicate between different lines of code, we're going to pass information between them using variables. So let's take a look at the first line there. We're going to read from right to left. The input is going to let the user type in some information. They type in a password. That gets assigned into the password variable, which is passed as a message in some ways into the last line of code, which is going to display that password. So here we've only got one program, but in the same way that we have cloud variables to communicate between different programs on different devices, we have variables to allow us to communicate between different lines of code within the same program on the same device.